In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format the tooltip in Tableau. This is a crucial skill that can seriously enhance the way your data is presented. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to get this done efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau public app. This is the gateway to accessing all your data visualization projects, so go ahead and launch it. Once open, you'll be greeted with your Tableau workspace. If you haven't already done so, navigate to the worksheet that contains the data visualization you want to enhance with tooltips. This step ensures you're working on the right project and sets the stage for the changes we're going to make. After you have accessed your worksheet, select the specific sheet within it that you wish to modify. This is an important step because tooltips are specific to each sheet in your workbook. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place before proceeding. With your sheet open, focus your attention on the marks card. This is where we can customize elements of our visualization, and you'll notice an option labeled Tooltip. Give it a click. Clicking on the Tooltip option will bring up the Edit Tooltip dialog box. This is essentially your command center for customizing the tooltip. Inside this box, you'll be presented with a text area. You can begin by typing directly into this box if you'd like to add static text that will appear in the tooltip exactly as you write it. This can include anything from titles to explanations about your data points. For more dynamic content, utilize the Insert menu. Here, you can incorporate field values or properties of the sheet, which will update automatically as your data changes. Super handy for making your tooltips relevant and interactive. Additionally, you have the option to drag fields directly from the data pane right into the tooltip text area. This method is a straightforward way to include real-time data in your tooltip without having to type it manually. Customization doesn't stop at content. You can also personalize the appearance of your tooltip. At the top of the dialog box, you'll find formatting tools to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of your text. Play around with these settings to make your tooltip not only informative but also visually appealing and on-brand with your overall worksheet style. So, that's the rundown on how to format a tooltip in Tableau. With these steps, you'll be able to make your data visualizations more dynamic and user-friendly, offering deeper insights at a glance. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you make the most of your Tableau experience.